Hello, I'm dgerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, AI for employment, it seems. Use AI in your business, they said. Work smarter and faster with AI, they said. You can fire everyone, they said. Not quite so loud. Yeah, it turns out that one is not what's happening. You gotta follow the bots around with a broom. The Australian Financial Review runs a law partnership survey on how things are going at law firms in Australia. The number of lawyers who are partners in the firms is up about 3%, but the number of non-partner lawyers, the ones who are paid on a fee basis to churn through stuff, is going up a lot. They're up 5% on average and up to 15% at some firms. And it's precisely because the firms need proper lawyers to check all the chatbots spew and make sure it's not lying nonsense. Quote, the more artificial intelligence is used within a law firm, the more lawyers are needed to vet the technology's outputs. Unquote. This is happening across about 70% of the law partnerships AFR surveyed. There's suddenly a lot of jobs cleaning up after the lying chatbot, so the judge doesn't throw you out the door. Quote, the increased demand for legal professionals and the increasing using of AI has been driven by strict rules around the use of AI-generated outputs by the courts and the tendency for the technology to fabricate answers. Unquote. The law firms really love the AI, though, or at least the chief executive partners do. They call the bots cognitive sparring partners, and they keep adding new chatbots to the pile. Quote, in addition to an internal version of ChatGPT called Ali, the firm also uses Microsoft Copilot, Thomson Reuters Co-Counsel, Legora AI, and other tools for tasks such as contract review and due diligence. Unquote. Oh boy, fine detail. Totally the thing chatbots are famous for making a really major hash of, and that's why they need the cleanup squad. The drive for chatbots in legal work is not likely to be just the senior partners. In Australia, it's worldwide. Thomson Reuters did a survey in April this year that corporate clients were demanding law firms use generative AI. Thomson Reuters guesses it's because the clients think they'll save money. And that's probably not what's going to happen. But the future of law in Australia is chatbots, because the execs love them. And at least someone's going to get work out of all of this, cleaning up chatbot poop. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Remember, send this episode to just one lawyer of your acquaintance, because word of mouth is what we need. You can also help Pivot to AI. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube, leave a nice podcast review, and don't forget to drop your $5 into the Patreon linked in the show notes below. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.